Well, the two bits of good news were German business confidence, which actually went up amazingly, and American housing starts up 9.3% in November, which was a bit of good news in the world's most battered and bruised housing market. The result was a 3% jump on Wall Street and pretty solid gains elsewhere, including in Asia this afternoon. In Australia, the market snapped its downward trend with a rise of 2%. The biggest gains were among some of the smaller industrials like One Steel, but the resources leaders and the banks all saw some strong bidding. Billabong managed to get back a rise of 10% after falling 50% in 2 days. So here's the All Ordinaries Index over the past year to put today's rise into perspective. Basically, it's been range trading since early August, waiting for some direction out of Europe and more recently China. Today's action doesn't really change that. Commodities were also bid up last night. Oil, gold, silver and copper all rose strongly. The Australian dollar responded smartly to the better economic news in Germany and the US with a rise to more than 101 US cents. It was a risk-on day, which means global investors were happy to buy Aussie dollars. Finally, a chart of something that I think will become an important theme in 2012, United States debt. Two things to note here. Household debt is now declining, and government debt was declining until 2001 when it suddenly started rising because of military spending, and then again in 2008 when the government had to bail out the banks. The rate of growth in government debt is down, but it's still an unsustainable 15% a year. I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Till then, have a great Christmas and better luck in the new year. That's finance.